third paper is Energy Conserving, Economical, Automated Smart Control System for Lighting by Eng.Thathsara Nanayakkara.
Good afternoon, sir. I am excited to present my research paper called Energy Conserving, Economical, Automated Smart Control System for Street Lighting. We all know how crucial street lighting in this community like Sri Lanka. Have you ever wondered how much energy is wasted due to insufficient of controlling? Today I will share my innovative solution of control system of street lighting. This is not only the power saving but also reduce the cost as well as enhance the efficiency. So this is my aims of development energy conserving economical automated smart control system for street lighting in Sri Lanka. Initially this research, the problem came from my working place. Normally they are switch on street lighting after 1800 hours up to follow next day 600 hours. So if we can control this street lighting after the given timings, so it will we can save more power. Then so this initial research I convert to the controlling Sri Lankan street lighting system. So these are the problems in faced in Sri Lankan street lighting. So manual switching means normally in set of street lighting in Sri Lanka there are set of switches fixed to street light poles. There are situated along the roads. Normally people neglect to switch off these lights, and daytime also most of energy is wasted. So another problem is the control of wiring. Then some set of street lighting requires additional wiring for the controlling purpose. So this approach lack of flexibility and required the making it less cost effective and challenge to manage. When you talking about the photodiode based systems, this working according to the level of sunlight. The main disadvantage of this type of street lighting is we cannot control. We can automate this type of street lighting. When wireless based systems, these wireless based system especially not suitable for the developing countries like Sri Lanka due to the cost of these initial equipments. The purpose of this automated system street lighting is mainly the reduced the power wastage, then the reduced the man hours spent on control, and the decreased overhead cost. Mainly the benefits of this control, we can control each and every bulb separately, and we can turning on and necessary bulbs and switching of others. They can improve the energy conservation. When we go into controlling this street lighting, we can go for the wired or wireless, as I already said. These two methods not suitable for countries like Sri Lanka. For that, I proposed power line communication protocol, line communication methods to control these street lighting. So these extend protocols widely used as home automation application in many countries. So from this power line communication, we can control each and every bulb separately, not required any additional wiring for the controlling also. So the main advantages of this type of power line communication, not required additional wiring wired as control signals travel to the power lines, and this simplifies the installation process and reduce the complexity, and more flexibility and the wide range of compatibility. So these are basic block diagram of our research. We have to install each and every receiver to each bulbs, and we can control from the transmitter these each and every bulb separately. These are control circuits we designed, and when we system implementation process, initially we have to install a transmitter in one central location. then we have to connect it through the power grid and synchronize AC power using zero question detector. Then, as I earlier said, we have to install the receiver modules to each and every streetlight poles. Then we can send modulated 120 kilohertz signal carrier frequency through the power line. This transmitter module generates control signals with codes as we require. Then we have to setting the signals over power lines. The modular control signals sent over the existing power lines, then decode and action, then real-time monitoring and control. So there are some set of limitation. These kind of situations, the distance is limited while using the extend protocol. They are only limited to 2 to 3 kilometers from the transmitter. And this is main disadvantage. This is extend is the one-way communication protocol communication system, and this is a limited scope. The automation system provides only the basic on-off functionality and basic dimming, and we have to.
I think you got the time. You run out. Can you quickly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For further development, this project is to connecting to internet, and we can control the street lighting from one particular place. So thank you, sir.